It has been said that you can never be too thin or too rich. But in consumer electronics devices, you can't be too thin, too light, or too cheap. This is a video camera from about 1997, and back then this was the envy of the soccer dads. Now, today, you can do the same video quality with a smartphone like this. The capability to make very thin glass is not unique or new to the glass industry. What is new is the fact that glass can be made to very thin levels while preserving all the excellent physical and chemical attributes required of the modern substrate. The other thing that's different is that the utilization of thin glass in devices and processes is requiring a much more intimate collaboration between the glass manufacturer and our customers. What's happening today is not only the trend towards thinner and lighter, but also to larger screens, as people are becoming accustomed to these personal devices that have both a large and compelling screen, as well as thin and as light as possible. Now, what we're seeing is people want that same attribute of something very convenient as well as being tough and very light in larger displays, most notably the Slate computer. So what we're seeing is this drive for thinness and lightness to be moving up the value chain in terms of the size, the complexity, and the video quality of the displays on the device. The primary challenge in the adoption of thinner glass in these devices is that of mechanical handling in the device fabrication process, that is, our customer's manufacturing process. And it's been a long struggle as customers have attempted to use thinner and thinner glass in a larger size. This is becoming much more urgent now that devices such as the Slate, that are required to be as thin and light as possible, are making customers leverage existing large size manufacturing assets. And this is where Corning can help them. For our knowledge of mechanical engineering, we can support them to make the modifications to their manufacturing to utilize thin glass. Also, one of the concerns in using thinner glass in devices is to make sure that these devices are mechanically sound. And this is another area that Corning is collaborating today with strategic customers to help them in device design. What we'll see over the next couple years is that all our customers are going to achieve thin capability across their platform, even to the largest size fabs. And this is going to be required because these large size fabs are going to be needed for both the manufacture of TV as well as the huge volume of these large size portable devices that are going to necessitate very thin glass. I think another trend that we're going to see is that the barrier of flat is going to be broken in many of these devices. And by leveraging the flexibility capabilities of thin glass, we're going to be seeing devices that are going to be conforming to natural surfaces rather than being rigidly in a planar form.